How to change caption language on YouTube in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. Once inside, scroll down to find and tap on any video to begin watching. In the video player, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on the Captions option. As you can see, the captions are currently turned off. To change the language, tap on the language you would prefer. Now, tap the settings icon again and tap on Captions. From this menu, select the Auto Translate option. A list of available languages will now appear on your screen. Scroll through the options and select your desired language. The video will now play with captions translated into your chosen language. Following these steps, you can easily change caption language on YouTube on an iPhone.